In the land of Italy, where fast cars now rule the streets and engines roar louder than lions, a man was born with an insatiable desire to dominate the world of machines. His name, Ferruccio Lamborghini. This name would one day be etched in history as the visionary who boldly redefined the automotive world. Actually, his first name's been left in the dust. But hey, it's the last name you see on the back. Ferruccio wasn't born into the world of luxury. No, he was the son of grape farmers, a humble beginning in the quiet village of Cento. But Ferruccio had oil running through his veins, not wine. From a young age, he had a fascination with machines, taking apart tractors and rebuilding them better, stronger, faster. This was no ordinary boy, but a mechanical prodigy. He studied mechanical engineering at the Fratelli Taddia Technical Institute near Bologna, where his natural talent for machines was not just honed, but sharpened like a blade ready for battle. One day, after Ferruccio effortlessly repaired a complex engine issue, his professor walked over, his brow furrowed in a mix of curiosity and admiration.
Wow, Lamborghini, this engine's been dead for months. How in the world did you fix it?
Yeah, Professor, it's just pieces fitting together. I take a step back and see the big picture.
Most of us can't, but you, it's like the machine speaks to you.
Machines are simple. People, they're the real puzzle.
Yeah, well, if this is what you're capable of now, the world doesn't know what's coming.
Indeed. When World War II came, Ferruccio was drafted into the Italian Air Force, where his genius for fixing military vehicles saved countless missions. He became a legend among soldiers, known for turning broken-down, battle-ravaged machines into unstoppable war beasts. But Ferruccio wasn't content. Fixing war machines wasn't what his heart desired. His real battlefield was waiting on the open road.
Wait a minute, why am I wasting my talents on war? I'm a nice guy. Ci vedano al diavolo, I'm going home.
Ferruccio took the wreckage of post-war Italy and repurposed surplus military engines to design his first prototype. From that humble start, he built an empire from the ground up. In 1948, he established Lamborghini Trattori, a company that revolutionized farming, empowering Italian agriculture to nourish a nation in recovery. Within a few years, Lamborghini tractors became the gold standard in agricultural machinery, so good that the wheels don't need to move. But Ferruccio was far from done. With riches from his tractor empire, Ferruccio bought the finest sports cars in the world. But the man was no casual admirer. His sharp eye could pick apart even the most revered automotive masterpieces of the era. Not even Ferrari, the dominant force in the automotive world, escaped his critique.
Mamma mia! Why is it like this? The clutch is softer than my nonna's ravioli.
Lamborghini found the Ferrari's clutch infuriating and fragile, so he voiced his complaints directly to Enzo, the reigning car overlord in the 1960s.
Enzo, my friend, your car's clutch, it's no good. I'd love to present some design modifications.
Who the fuck are you?
I am Ferruccio Lamborghini, creator of...
Know who you are? I mean, who the fuck are you to tell me about cars? You're a tractor mechanic.
Ah, come on, Enzo. I fix machines for a living. I know when something's not working good. This clutch, it's like spaghetti, fall apart when you use it enough times.
Listen closely, friend. You are but a glorified farmer's troubleshooter, while I am a creator of world-class cars. It's absurd that you think we're equals. Stick to your tractors.
At last, Ferruccio had enough. Enzo's arrogance ignited his fiery Italian pride.
Enzo! Mark my words. If you won't build the perfect car, then I win.
Thus began Ferruccio's relentless journey into the world of supercars. In 1963, he founded Automobili Lamborghini, driven by a singular obsession to build the ultimate machine and leave Ferrari in the dust. Ferruccio's workshop became a battleground where the finest engineers and designers, hand-picked by the head honcho himself, worked tirelessly like soldiers preparing for war. What followed was no ordinary rivalry. It was a clash of titans, each side racing to inscribe their name larger than the other. Enzo may have been a prick, but he didn't lack brilliance or the unyielding drive that kept Ferrari at the top. When Automobili Lamborghini launched the 350 GT, it was a strong contender, earning praise for its elegance and engineering finesse. But it didn't dethrone the Red Titan. Still, it was only the first strike, a solid start, but far from Ferruccio's true vision. Then came 1966, when Ferruccio unleashed his masterpiece, the Lamborghini Miura. This supercar was unlike any before it. It resembled a mythological beast and shook the automotive world to its core, with its sleek, predatory lines, heart-stopping speed, and an engine that snarled like a beast from another world. The Miura stood where Ferrari fell short, bold, unapologetic, and poised to take the crown. Soon, his cars became legends, machines that defied gravity, capable of accelerating to speeds that left mere mortals clutching their seats in awe. The Countach, the Diablo, and eventually the Gallardo and Veneno were all born from Ferruccio's fierce determination to be the greatest. And naturally, they were so extraordinary that no one could actually afford them. But even legends grow weary. After years of building his empire, Ferruccio retired, having built cars that transcended the road and became works of art. He sold his company and returned to his first love, the peaceful world of vineyards. Perhaps in the end, it wasn't just oil running through his veins after all. From the fields of Cento to the pinnacle of automotive engineering, Ferruccio Lamborghini didn't rise by ambition alone. It was the fire of rivalry that fueled him. Enzo Ferrari's scorn became the catalyst that pushed Ferruccio beyond tractors and into the realm of supercars. He knew that while everyone had opinions, only he could define who he was, whether a tractor mechanic, automobile engineer, or grape farmer. We all have dreams, and we all have Ferraris in our life. No, not the car, you wish, but the voices telling us we're not enough. The ones who say we can't because so and so. Sometimes they're rivals, and sometimes they are the people closest to us. The real question is, will you let them crush your spirit, or will you do what Ferruccio did? Let them eat their words.
Creating videos like this takes a lot of time and costs a lot of money, so thank you so much for watching. And if you liked it, please like the video. And if you don't, please do me a solid. Let me know down below why and what I could do to make it better. I'll apply everything I learned in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.